Butser Ancient Farm is an experimental archaeology site, nestled into the rolling countryside of the South Downs National Park. The farm features archaeological reconstructions of ancient buildings from the Stone Age, Iron Age, Roman Britain and the Anglo-Saxon period. Its buildings are internationally famous and appear frequently in documentaries and feature films. The park also grow crops from prehistory and keep rare breeds of animals, such as goats and sheep.